Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a featured image on WordPress post. So let's get started. However, if you don't have an account already, there's a link in the video description below to get started with a free account. So make sure to check that out. Alright, so here we are in our WordPress admin dashboard. So after you are here in the dashboard, let's go to the posts section. So I'm going to all posts. Alright, so here is my all posts. Now I can actually edit a post and add a feature image, or I can just add a new post and add feature image to it. So I'm just going to show you guys the whole process and add a new post and add feature image to it. So let's click on add new post. We're going to add title here. Alright, so we have added a title here. Now I'm not going to write down anything over here. And now I'm going to head to settings. Now we're going to go to the posts tab from here on the upper section, and then we are going to have a menu like this. And as you can see on top, we have set feature image. So we are going to click on set feature image, and we can drag or drop files right over here. So I'm just going to drag a file from my desktop. So as you can see, I've dragged and dropped a file from my desktop, and I'm going to use this one as a feature image. However, as you can see, my image has been cropped a little and it's not viewing the way I uploaded it. So if you want your image to view correctly, you should upload in the correct dimension. The correct dimension here will be 1920 into 1080. So I've selected this image, and WordPress has selected an optimal dimension for my image. Now I'm going to click set feature image. So as you can see, my feature image is set. Now I'm going to click on publish. So my post has been published. Now I can just view post by clicking here. So let's go and view the post. As you can see, I'm viewing my post, and here is the feature image. And after the feature image, here is my title, and I've written nothing in the body, so the body is empty. So that's how you can add a feature image in your WordPress post. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.